Welcome back. Now news from sports. The prestigious Police Cup football tournament concluded recently. It has been one of Goa's oldest tournaments organized by the Goa Police in association with the Goa Football Association. However, it also has been a tournament which has been inconsistently organized. Home Minister Ravi Naik is certain that this tournament will not stop in the future.
The Police Cup started in 1968. However, many years in between from then till now, this tournament was not held. It went on to become one of the most prominent tournaments in the state. Besides the regular football entertainment in the tournament, the 5 feet 4 inches tall trophy was a major attraction. Vasco Sports Club won this year's Police Cup. They beat Sporting Club de Goa in the final at the Duler Stadium in Mapsa. Speaking at the sidelines of the final, Home Minister Ravi Naik was certain of a consistently organized tournament.
गोवा पुलीस कप जे आसा हे 1968 सारको सुरवात आशिल्ले आनी एक गोसालिया फॅमिलीन दिल्ले आमकां डोनेट केले गोवा पुलिसांक आनीक ते सगळे फुटबॉल गोवा आमची गोंयांक सगळे तरेचे गोवा पुलीस कप हे चालू आशिल्ले आनीक ते नंतर मागीर अप टू 2002 पर्यंत चालू आशिल्ले मागीर ते बंद उरले आनीक ते नंतर मागीर आतां आमी खबर आसा आतां परते आमी आतां सुरू केल्ले आसा आनी हे आतां कितें आसा आमचे हे म्हाका दिसता आनी फुडें बंद पडपाचें ना कित्याक आतां उमेद येयल्ली आसा आमचे कडेन बरे पुलीसय आसा आमची पुलीस टीम बरी आसा आमचे कडेन पुलीस वॉलीबॉल आसा जावं क्रिकेट आसा आनी आमी आतां बाकीचे जे आसा गेमी त्यो आसा पुलिसांक आमी जे आसा आमचे कडेन यंग भुरगे आसात सो यंग भुरगे आसा तांकां आमी हें करपाक एनकरेज करपाक स्पोर्ट्स एनकरेजमेंट दिवपाक सगळें फुटबॉल जावं वॉलीबॉल जावं क्रिकेट जे आसा ते आयचे आमचे कडेन टॅलंट भुरगे आसा म्हण तांकां लागून आमी हें घेतलेलें आसा आनी हे फुडें हेका आमकां खूब लोकांनी मदत केल्ली आसा.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
Host India have shown great performance in their opening game of the Hockey World Cup. But is their performance good enough to win the cup? Prudent Media got the opinion of some young hockey lovers from the state.
The all-awaited Hockey World Cup has finally started. India starting off the World Cup on a winning note, defeating Pakistan 4-1. Today we hit the roads and asked people of Goa what is their take on the Hockey World Cup.
This is the first time that at least I have enjoyed the performance of the Indian team. Looking back at the first match which we have just played and won versus Pakistan, that's 4-1. I feel the half line are turning into really great heroes, you could say. And the fitness level of each and every player level is outstanding. Everybody is giving the 100%. And I don't see any reason why we should not be at least up to the semi-finals in this World Cup.
And who do you think are strong contenders to win the World Cup?
As you know, Germany are there with their the backup of 2 World Cups back to back that they have won. Even Australia is good, but once again, as I've said, the Indian team looks totally different this year. And I feel with the crowd's backup, people going to watch the matches, India can also put up a good fight.
Some interesting matches were there. And starting match was also India won the match, so it's interesting.
Okay. And which team are you supporting?
India only, because
And who do you think will be a strong contender for this Hockey World Cup this time?
as it is playing in India, so I think it is in India only this time.
Yeah, it's really nice that it's happening in India, and actually it's happening in India, so I wish like India should win the match, like the World Cup.
What do you have to say about the performance of the Indian team in the Hockey World Cup?
I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, we won the match, and only sad part is that the guy is suspended and all. Then it's okay, but they are, they're living up to the expectation of Indians, so it's well.
I'm currently, these days I'm enjoying the Hockey World Cup. I've seen all the matches by now, and the best match was of India, which they won 4-1 convincingly against Pakistan, the Hyderabad.
Okay. What do you think? How do you think the performance of the Indian team?
The Indian team has shown very well in this tournament right now.
Okay. Who do you think are strong contenders to win the World Cup?
I think the strong contenders are Germany, I think so, and also Holland are the hot favorites to win this tournament.
Our sports reporter from Panji, Noel D'Souza, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Let's look at the headlines once again. Following corruption complaints, DGP stopped vehicular checking at border checkpost, revokes the order late in the evening. Water level increases further at Sangolda. People demand immediate government intervention to arrive at definite conclusion. Church calls Calvert's allegation baseless, says Calvert trying stunts to defame church. G7 threatens CM not to drop any minister from their group, says framing of charges against minister's wife in blast case not on their agenda. And Home Minister Ravi Naik, certain of organizing Police Cup every year, plans to promote sports among policemen. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.